Ella the elephant and Leo the lion. A jungle tale with a lesson. Scene. Deep in the heart of the jungle, a watering hole glistens under the afternoon sun. Ella the elephant is gently splashing water on her back. Leo the lion strolls in, mane gleaming and confidence sky high. Leo. Well, 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 if it isn't the slow and steady queen of the jungle. Ella laughs softly. Hello, Leo. Always roaring before you drink? Leo. Hey, I've got to remind everyone who's king around here. You know how it is. Ella. I think they already know. No need to shout about it every 5 minutes. Leo. But how else do I show off? I've got the fastest paws, the sharpest claws, and the loudest roar. Ella. Do you though? Or are you just trying to prove it all the time? Leo. Of course I do. Watch me chase that monkey. Darts off, knocking over a log, startling some birds, and slipping into a muddy patch. Ella shakes her head, amused. Leo. Sometimes strength is quiet. True power doesn't always need an audience. Leo, walking back, muddy and embarrassed. Yeah, maybe I tried a little too hard. You didn't even move and you still looked wise. Ella. That's because I am wise, Leo. And also, because I didn't run into a mud puddle. Leo. Okay. Maybe there's more to being respected than roaring all day. Moral of the story. Real strength doesn't need to prove itself, it's felt in actions, not just words. Sometimes, quiet confidence is louder than a roar.